think you've mastered the wheel, these clips will prove otherwise. Spreading misery to others. Permanent revocation is the only solution. In your opinion, is this a display of status or just foolish arrogance? In your opinion, did the rear car lack observation, or did the front car stop suddenly? Don't wait to learn from pain. Subscribe now to protect your family. Narrow road, pitch dark, yet he overtakes. Such stupidity is inexcusable. Pulling a car ashore by hand, no one will believe the story. Rushed for a second, and now he waits to face the consequences. He drives as if he's inviting the Grim Reaper. The accident is truly horrific. I really hope a miracle happens. Bursting into flames out of nowhere. In your experience, what is usually the main culprit? Don't wait to learn from pain. Subscribe now to protect your family. Plunging off the overpass, the nightmare of free fall became reality. One man's negligence, a tragedy for others, the height of irresponsibility. He probably just wanted to give his car a refreshing bath. Haha. Don't wait to learn from pain. Subscribe now to protect your family. Twisted painfully, as if its spine had been snapped. The bicycle was completely swallowed. Fortunately, he is still safe. Crossing like this is nothing short of suicide. After that terrifying landing, could he possibly survive? The car is wobbling around, looking just like a drunkard. Two careless people, a disaster for everyone. One rotten apple truly spoils the barrel. Don't wait to learn from pain. Subscribe now to protect your family. Mistook the fast lane for a racetrack, but the Honda shut him down. I think she learned a lesson she will never forget. In this case, who is at fault, folks? The call of the Grim Reaper. The road is long, but the final destination is always home. Subscribe to bring safety back to your family with me. Warm regards. So for our first official vote for the Hall of Shame, who is the ultimate villain of the road, the chaos creator who starts the wreck and drives away, or the oblivious driver who doesn't even know they're a rolling disaster? Let's try to get inside that helmet for a second. What imaginary trophy do you think he was racing for that was worth a homeowner's entire security deposit?
Probably no one gets killed.
Let's get into the mind of the impatient. What's the most pathetic, non-emergency reason you've ever seen someone risk a catastrophic overtake for? Let's settle the ultimate traffic sin. What's a bigger violation of the social contract? Ignoring a fire truck siren or ignoring a funeral procession? This is a terminal case of tonnage amnesia, the dangerous belief that your hatchback has the same physical presence as an 18-wheeler. This isn't just a crash, it's a severe case of combustible complacency, where the driver forgets that the liquid they're hauling is also a 10,000-gallon bomb.
Oh shit!
Let's call it the kinetic contempt. A complete disregard for the fact that speed doesn't just add miles per hour, it multiplies destructive energy exponentially. The real villain here isn't the other driver. It's a little thing I call traction betrayal. It's that moment your tyres decide they're breaking up with the asphalt, and they aren't gentle about it. What we're seeing here is the spectacular pop of the bubble of invincibility, that cozy, heated belief that your all-wheel drive can negotiate a peace treaty with frozen water. So, let's settle a philosophical debate. When chaos like this finds you, is it better to be defensive and brake, or evasive and swerve? The driver just learned a very expensive physics lesson in top-heavy treachery. That's the moment the center of gravity stops being the center of your attention and suddenly becomes the only thing that matters. The official diagnosis for this wreck is the depth perception deception, the fatal miscalculation that a few inches of water can't wrestle a multi-ton truck for control. Every driver on a winter road must pay the grip tax. Eventually, the road will collect its due. For those taking notes at home, this is a textbook demonstration of geographic imperative syndrome, the powerful delusion that your exit is so important it creates its own temporary laws of traffic. And there you have it, folks. Another masterclass in mayhem, proving once again that the most important safety feature in any car is a well-functioning brain. If you believe driving is a skill to be honed, not just a button to be pushed, then you've found your co-pilot. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because class is in session every single week. Until next time, this is your witty road analyst reminding you, stay sharp, stay predictable, and keep the mayhem on the screen, not on the street. Sign off.